between today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, not only are we gonna have met, become friends, brainstormed, written original lyrics, and recorded original lyrics, we're gonna have a finished song in 3 days, really in 3 hours. A lot of people don't have food, right? But we want them to have food. So if it's a holiday, they'll give you food. So how do we find a cool way of saying, like, find a way to make every day a holiday so everybody has food? Does that concept make sense? I know it's really weird and I'm kind of like reaching for it, but I think we're on to something. MMUN 2021, on the way to zero hunger. Just tell them it's your birthday. If you really want to fill up the plate, cause everybody loves birthdays. We love to give somebody else their cake. We can do away with hunger pain. Just tell them it's your birthday. Let's get food from the ones who already ate.
Kids like us are hungry, their stomachs are empty with disparity. Including all races will improve food accessibility. We can find new ways to bring forth inclusion. Our reign is just beginning, we are the diffusion.
Yeah, they call me Ren, speaking through my pen. I'm a world changer, you should be my friend. Peace for the people, harmony and den. But some of us are starving, we cannot pretend. Name one thing that serves us better than food. Dinner brings all of us together at the meal. There's so many kids I wanna eat with. Hunger is a flame that I'm gonna extinguish.
Just tell them it's your birthday. If you really wanna fill up the plate, cause everybody loves birthdays. We love to give somebody else their cake. We can do away with hunger pain. Just tell them it's your birthday. Let's get food from the ones who already ate.
If you love us, then show it. We need more food, let's grow it. Cause everyone here has a mouth to feed. Let's spread the love without the greed. If you have extra, share what you got with someone in need.
That's enough food for everyone, but the system doesn't work. We can change the world, but we can change the life of someone else. If we want to make the world a better place for us, we need to eradicate hunger by making the social classes change.
Just tell them it's your birthday. If you really want to fill up the plate, cause everybody loves birthdays. We love to give somebody else their cake. We can do